It's always a tough call to choose between managing your business and expanding it. As a business owner, you can find the unending spreadsheets, invoices, company expenses, and handling customers pretty horrific. So your business growth can come to a halt while you're pretty busy fighting paperworks. To get your business affairs on track, connect with Flectra. Flectra's next-generation open-source ERP with powerful modular design gets all your needs covered with its tons of important features that are the requirement for every successful business. The best part is, all its apps are fully integrated and user-friendly. With Flectra, you can create an attractive proposal for your customer to boost your sales, or send them an invoice to accept payments online, or send a purchase order to your supplier with just a click, or manage accurate inventory at your fingertips. Flectra is also armored with powerful apps that fulfill and manage all your needs, like a strong customer relationship management CRM, all-in-one fully integrated e-commerce solution ready to run on cloud or on-premise. Flectra helps many small and medium businesses to grow and increase their profits with its unique value proposition of being open source, flexible, and powerful at the same time. Flectra gets you started in no time. It's so simplified and effective that hundreds are joining us every day. Why don't you take a free and unconditional demo from Flectra to get to know it better? Transform your business into a high-performance workhorse by unleashing the power of Flectra in your venture. Chat with us now at flectrahq.com.